My name is Doug Emerson, and I'm a Senior Regional Sales Manager for United Grinding North America. Today we're going to look at the production and floor space advantages of the STUDER S11. So first, what does floor space really cost? How do we put a value to it? Well, for a simple method to determine this, we need to know two things: annual manufacturing cost and manufacturing floor space. First, you need to determine your manufacturing cost during the year. This cost includes items such as factory overhead, wages and benefits for your manufacturing workers, and cost of goods produced. For example, assume your company paid $5 million in manufacturing costs this year, and you have a 25,000 square feet of factory space. Divide your manufacturing cost by the square footage of the facility. So based on this year, annual manufacturing costs are $200 per square foot. So think about this cost and you can see the advantage of a small footprint production machine such as the S11. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more, find us at grinding.com.